heart is on fire.
In my mind, my heart is so weak.
And you take me higher.
So I can hardly speak.
Every time step over here, won't you, lover?
I want you here for life.
It's only you, not another.
Till we see the moonlight.
Every time you got love,
You got love.
ooh, without you
It's not enough.
ooh,
You got love. You got love. You got love.
Use this headphone sa mga oras na nagdadadak na ako sa'yo. Ha ha ha. Joke. I love you always. See you later, my love. Joji.
when I'm lost at sea in waters unknown. You are the courage pulling me I call home. This is where I call home. Your love is where I feel alive. My safety and my shelter.
Today's the day that God has made, special for us, but most of all for me. Because I will be marrying the person I thought I could never have in this life of mine, through its twists and turns. Akala ko hindi na magbabago ang lahat. Akala ko. Pero puro na lang heartaches and pain na lang. Pero tama nga sila. Walang napapala sa mga akala. Dahil lahat na yon, akala lang, lalo na nung dumating ka.
I call home.
To respect and cherish your uniqueness, and to support, comfort, and strengthen you through life's joy and sorrows. I promise to share hopes, thoughts, and dreams as we build our lives.
In the sun or rain.
Georgie, I love you. I love you so much. In the best ways I know I can. And I will never leave by your side, just as you did with me. I will hold your hand and walk with you in this life, and you will never ever have to be alone.
Katulad ng sinabi ko sa'yo lagi, I will always be here for you no matter what. I will accept you with your past, with your present, and with your future. That's how